First thing to do is download CapCut application on your smartphones. On the plus sign, open new project. Select files from your gallery. Down below, as you see some editing buttons here. For example, if you wish to remove the video sounds and put it audio music, or increase the audio of your video, or if you wish to add a transition video or intro, just tap the plus sign and get from your files. You can also use the default transitions from this app. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is open. Example. Put a title text E in your video. Example. Choose some effects and animations. If you wish to remove things, you may use split. Add transition. You can add some background music from your phone or from this application. You can cut your audio or split, depends on your video's length. Add some outro video from this application. You can also put a background to your video without overlaying. You can choose from the application or from your files. For example, I have chose a default background from this application. Before you export this video, make sure that you do a right ratio. 16. 9 for YouTube vlogs. To export, tap the arrow above and choose the best resolutions or quality of your video you need. And that's for today's video. I hope you learned some tricks from this application using Android phone. For more tutorial videos, please consider to subscribe for the next video tutorial vlogs. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.